In this video, we've seen how to customize a shape belonging to a canvas widget. In this video, we are going to use one of the methods to customize one of the shape used to create a TTK widget. We are going to change the cursor of the alpha bar, also seen in this video. When we look into the alpha bar source code, we can see that the cursor use is identified by this tag cursor, and we are going to try to use first the item config method from the alpha bar. Since alpha bar inherit from the canvas class, we try to change the fill color and the width, but we have to first install the TTKWidgets library. Pip install TTKWidgets. It's supposed to be already installed. Now we can run our code. So we can see that the color of our cursor, this is the cursor I was talking about, didn't change, and the goal is to change the width and the color of this cursor. So instead of calling the item config, I realized that when I use the method as a command of a button, it works. So we are going to change this. Instead of calling directly the item config method, we are going to bind the configure method of the main window with the lambda function that will actually call the item config. So when the window will be created and resized, we will automatically change our cursor. Now I will try to run the code again. We can see here that our cursor changed, and the fill of the cursor changed, and also its width. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.